Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, you guys seen me clean my whole upstairs, organize my closet, clean my bedroom, vacuum my kids' room, the hallway, and also my bathroom upstairs. So today we are downstairs and we're going to be cleaning up my living room, my computer desk area, my bathroom down here, my kitchen, and I'm going to be mopping and sweeping my floor today. So we're going to hurry up and get into it. I might also vacuum my steps in this video, but we'll save that for the end of the video before I start mopping. So we'll see. Okay, and let's get into it.
Best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best, best, the best bad thing that has happened to me. Opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me.
Okay, so that didn't really take long at all. My downstairs wasn't really too bad. So let me flip this around. Okay, so this is the trash from upstairs when I cleaned. I have to put that back up there, but that's just it. I'm going to, instead of sweeping, I'm gonna vacuum, but my kids are using the vacuum upstairs. So I'm going to wipe the table down and vacuum down here. I have chalk because my kids were playing with chalk outside. So chalk, shoes that need to be put up, which I'm not really worried about because I'm not vacuuming. That needs to go in the laundry. This bathroom just needs completely cleaned. Can you see my sink? My husband was working on his bike. The disrespect, but whatever. So this whole area is done. Just the carpet needs vacuumed and the floor needs vacuumed. I'm not even plugging in my computer because I'm most likely going to take it upstairs and edit my video from upstairs. This needs vacuumed up, and the pig's cage doesn't need cleaned. I need to refill their hay, and their bowls are good. Give them a little bit more water, but that's about it. My husband did their cage maybe like 2 days ago, so they're good with that. I need to change the trash, and on to my horrible kitchen. Oh god. So I'm gonna make some coffee quick because I'm not ready to handle this, and I'll be back to you.
Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew.
Okay guys, so I finally ate, had some coffee, so we're gonna get into this kitchen because I've been putting it off for a little bit. So let's get this kitchen done.
Don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Okay guys, so I just realized that it is 5:30, so I need to, excuse me, I need to make dinner for the kids. So I'm going to pause the video right now, go make dinner for the kids, and then I'll come back to you to finish some more cleaning. Okay, so I had to mute the TV for the kids real quick so I could record this. So I just got done making them dinner, and I'm going to finish cleaning while they're eating, so that way I can vacuum and mop and everything because they won't be in my way anymore. So let's go.
why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
All of this trash. This needs to go to the dumpster, so that way I can finish cleaning the rest of my house. Okay, hey guys. So I didn't get the steps vacuumed or anything, and I didn't mop the floor, but I'm gonna call this video quits. I'm done for the night. Yeah, I'm tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation, some inspiration to clean up some areas in your home. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.